Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we always bring you the best and most honest reviews. Today, I have a product that promises to pamper your skin and leave it feeling hydrated, fresh, and soothed. All the things we need in a skincare product, right? So let's talk about the TONYMOLY I'm Aloe Skin Calming Mask Pads. If you have sensitive or dry skin, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. But let's dive deeper into whether it truly delivers. Now, let's talk about the essentials. The TONYMOLY I'm Aloe Skin Calming Mask Pads come with 80 biodegradable sheets, making it a great option for those of us looking for environmentally friendly alternatives. These pads are infused with aloe vera, a powerhouse ingredient known for its soothing and hydrating properties. And let's be real, who doesn't love aloe vera for calming irritated skin, especially when you've had a long, stressful day or dealt with skin issues? The pads are paraben-free, so they're safe for sensitive skin, which is always a major win. Aloe vera itself is the star here, offering a gentle hydrating experience that's perfect for calming irritated or dry skin. The fact that it's biodegradable adds a layer of sustainability that we love, making this a product that cares not just for your skin, but for the planet as well. When I first incorporated these into my routine, I was impressed by how soft and refreshing the pads felt on my skin. The scent? Pure aloe, light and natural, nothing overpowering. These pads slide effortlessly onto the skin, and I noticed an immediate soothing effect, especially around my cheeks and forehead, where my skin tends to get driest. It's simple to use too. I added them into my evening routine, applying one to my face and letting it sit for a few minutes to absorb. After removing the pad, my skin felt more hydrated, smoother, and had that healthy glow. I was particularly impressed with how quickly it calmed any redness and gave my skin that refreshed, hydrated feel without feeling greasy or heavy. Let's break it down with a few pros and cons. First, the pros. The packaging is simple, clean, and easy to use. The aloe vera scent is incredibly refreshing, not too strong. It's paraben-free and ideal for sensitive skin. Eco-friendly with biodegradable sheets, that's a big win for sustainability lovers. Now, onto the cons. While it's a great hydrator, you may need to pair it with another product if you're looking for something more intensive in terms of treatment. The sheets are a bit thin, so you have to be careful not to tear them. As for the value for money, at the price point, these are a solid investment if you're looking for a gentle, hydrating treatment for sensitive skin. With 80 sheets per pack, you're getting quite a lot of product. Considering the fact that aloe vera has so many benefits, calming, moisturizing, and healing, this is definitely worth the price. In comparison, there are other aloe-based masks out there, but the fact that these come in sheet form, offering easy application, makes them stand out for busy skincare routines. Plus, the biodegradable sheets add a layer of eco-consciousness that many other brands might lack. As for build quality, the material feels soft, and the pads hold the aloe vera liquid well. The packaging is sturdy, and I've had no issues with product leakage. Since these are disposable, you'll want to make sure you use them regularly to see the best benefits, but they're definitely built for convenience and ease of use. Now, if you're finding that the price isn't quite in your budget, there are alternatives. Some other aloe-based hydrating masks can provide similar benefits at a lower price, though you may miss out on the eco-friendly angle or the easy-to-use sheet form. Still, if you want something that's effective and simple, you'll find options that suit your needs. In the end, these TONYMOLY Aloe Skin Calming Mask Pads are a great option for those with sensitive, dry skin looking for something gentle and soothing. They do what they say they will: hydrate, calm, and refresh your skin without overwhelming your routine. If you're someone who values eco-friendly products and loves the benefits of aloe vera, this is definitely worth a try. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used these pads, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest beauty reviews. The link to get your own TONYMOLY Aloe Skin Calming Mask Pads is in the description, so check it out if you're ready to give it a go. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.